Podium facial validation is an advanced feature designed to enhance the security and validity of unproctored, remotely administered assessments. It uses a combination of artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, and an end-user's webcam. The facial validation system monitors the remote assessment using the end-user's webcam, watching for various events or behaviors that may occur in front of the camera, such as getting assistance from friends or colleagues, leaving the assessment, or asking someone else to complete on your behalf. This process is seamless and runs behind the normal assessment process without the need for plugins or other software. The Podium AI processes each image and reports its findings to you as part of a portfolio of images. Remember, the AI is only flagging potential issues observed during the assessment process. It is not making decisions. A participant's image portfolio should always be reviewed by an administrator. It is important to note that facial validation is not the same as facial recognition. Facial recognition is a biometric technology that identifies individuals based on their facial features and identifies an individual from vast databases. The technology has been widely adopted across various sectors, including security, marketing, law enforcement, and social media, due to its efficiency and accuracy in identifying individuals. While facial recognition has been used in many areas, it has raised concerns regarding potential biases and other ethical implications. Facial validation, on the other hand, identifies a pattern of features and the positioning of these features that form a person's face, such as the position of eyes, nose, and mouth within an oval shape of a face. The Podium facial validation system continually monitors a participant throughout the assessment, recording snapshots of events or behaviors. It performs this task locally on an individual's device and does not need to determine the identity of the individual. Instead, it provides evidence for a human administrator to review and to make decisions. For more information about how facial validation works and the security behind it, you can read more in our white paper on the Podium website. www.podium365.com/whitepapers/facial validation.pdf. Using Podium's facial validation tool couldn't be easier. Add a participant to the system, including their email address. Then click on the participant's invitation icon. Select which assessment you would like to administer, and then click the facial validation checkbox. That's it. Once you send the invitation, the participant will be guided through the facial validation process on their landing page. You can also enable facial validation when you are setting up a new project. To do this, you can click the facial validation checkbox in the project settings screen of the setup process. After enabling facial validation on a project, all participants within the project will be guided through the validation process on their landing page. Once the participant has completed their assessments, you can view the facial validation portfolio on the participant record in the Facial Validation tab. Or if you set up a facial validation project, you can view all participant portfolios directly from the project itself.